Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the system language on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So maybe you have it in an incorrect language, maybe it's in Spanish or French or German or Arabic maybe, and you want to switch it back to English. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So even if you don't understand the writing on the screen, the buttons should all be placed in a similar area. You should be able to figure out by following along with the video. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the setting gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the system tile. Underneath system, select the languages tile at the top. And then under system language, right at the top, you can select that option here to go adjust the system language, and you can select add a language, the second option down. And you can add additional languages here. And if you want to make a language the primary one that's already set up, you can just switch it by dragging it up to the first position. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, how to set that up on your phone. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.